Hello everyone, in this video lecture we are going to find the relationship between alpha, beta and gamma. We know that alpha, it is a coefficient of linear expansion, beta, it is a coefficient of area expansion, and gamma, it is the coefficient of volume expansion. Consider a cube of each side of length L naught. Suppose it is L naught. When we heat the cube, then there is increase in its length in the each side of cube. Suppose that is change in length del L here also del L. Consider a cube of each side L naught. Its volume, we know that the volume of cube is side cube, so here V naught is equal to L naught cube. Let the cube is heated so that the increase in temperature is del theta. The area of each face of the cube before heating is A naught equal to L naught square, because the side of cube is L naught. The area of each face of the cube after heating A is equal to L square. But we know that L is equal to L naught 1 plus alpha del theta. This is equation number 1. Now squaring both sides, we get equation 1 L square is equal to L naught का स्क्वायर 1 प्लस अल्फा डेल थीटा का स्क्वायर, और here L square equal to A. Now put A instead of L square and A naught instead of L naught square, because area of each face of cube before heating is A naught is equal to L naught square. 1 plus alpha del theta का square. Here apply a mathematical formula A plus B का whole square. This is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is equal to A naught, here 1 का स्क्वायर 1 प्लस अल्फा स्क्वायर डेल थीटा का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 अल्फा डेल थीटा. Since alpha is very small quantity, so alpha square del theta square can be neglected. So this equation becomes A is equal to A naught 1 plus 2 alpha del theta. This is equation number 2. Also A equal to A naught plus beta del theta. This is equation number 3. By comparing equation 2 and 3, we get here left hand side is equal, then right hand side also equal. A naught 1 plus 2 alpha del theta equal to A naught 1 plus beta del theta. A naught cancel with A naught, 1 के साथ 1, del theta, so we left with beta is equal to 2 alpha. This is equation number 4. Now take cube of equation 1, we get This is the equation number 1. By taking the cube of this equation 1, we get L cube is equal to L naught cube 1 plus alpha del theta का cube. This is equal to L naught cube 1 plus 3 alpha del theta plus 3 alpha square del theta square plus alpha cube del theta cube. Since alpha is small quantity, so neglecting alpha square del theta square and alpha cube del theta cube, we get L cube is equal to L naught cube 1 plus 3 alpha del theta. We know that L cube this is equal to V and L naught cube this is equal to V naught. So this equation becomes V is equal to V naught 1 plus 3 alpha del theta. This is equation number 5. Also V is equal to V naught 1 plus gamma del theta. This is equation number 6. Now compare equation 5 and 6. We get here left hand side equal है, then right hand side also equal. V naught 1 plus 3 alpha del theta equal to V naught 1 plus gamma del theta. Here V naught cancel with V naught, 1 with 1, del theta with del theta. We have left with gamma is equal to 3 alpha. And this is equation number 5. By using equation 4 and 5, we get alpha ratio beta ratio gamma. This is equal to 1 ratio 2 ratio 3.